Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to simplify 4 factorial by 3 factorial, the power 3 factorial. So if you haven't know about the factorial, I have already uploaded a video regarding this. You can check out that video. So now let's start with the today's video. So 4 factorial, we can write this as 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Similarly, 3 factorial, we can write this as 3 times 2 times 1. So our question is 4 factorial by 3 factorial. We can write this as 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 by 3 times 2 times 1. Whole power is 3 factorial. So 3 times 2 times 1. So we can cancel out this. So 4 power is 3 times 2 is 6 times 1 is 6. So 4 times 4 power 6, or you can call it as 4096. That's how you can simplify this type of problem. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.